Fortnite Mobile's biggest problem, FPS. Well, you clicked on this video to fix the FPS stutters. To do so, I split this into a 3-step process. Let's get into the first step. In Game Settings, first open Settings and go to the Video tab. Set the FPS to the highest possible. This doesn't need any explanation. Next, User Interface Contrast is just preference. This won't affect your FPS at all. Now switch Quality Presets to low. This will help on later. Change 3D resolution between 60 to 80. If you're really struggling with FPS, keep it at 60. This will allow your device to prioritize performance rather than quality, as your device will have to render in less pixels, which can lead to better FPS, as it removes the extra load from your device's chip. Next, set texture quality to low. Doing this will make your device render lesser elements in the map and remove unnecessary details on the map. Now turn on pre-downloaded streamed textures. This will download most of the skins and some textures beforehand, instead of downloading it during you're playing the game. This can lead to lower ping, as it won't download during playing, and higher FPS, as it won't randomly load in some textures that cause lag spikes. It is just at a cost of extra storage. Let's move on to the second step. Device Settings. First, open your settings and enable Developer Settings. To do so, open About Device and click on Software Version 7 times. Keep in mind different phones may have different ways of enabling developer options. Now that your developer options is enabled, go to Additional Settings and then go to Developer Options. Now that you're in here, find the tab Graphics Driver Preferences. Find Fortnite in that list and change it to System Graphics Driver. What this does is, it changes over to the GPU driver of the device to run the game. This can lead to improved FPS stability or compatibility. However, this may not be the same case for every device. So try Default Driver and System Graphics Driver to see which one is best for you. Now scroll down and find Background Process Limit. Change this to a 2 or a 3. What this will do is it will improve performance by preventing a lot of RAM being used for other apps, resulting in lesser battery drain due to fewer background apps. Now let's move on to the final step. The main reason for FPS drops is HUD. I will show you some proof of it first. On the left is the FPS of the unoptimized HUD. On the right is the FPS of the optimized HUD. Well, to get an optimized HUD, all you gotta do is make the button as small as possible and remove the borders. Also, when changing build mode to edit mode to combat mode, make it so there are minimal changes in buttons, as that seems to be the main factor of FPS stutters. That's it for this video.